Hey, hey, lifestyle. Everything. Bad babs on my everybody going propaganda ganda. Hey, Weezy Leno. China Power. Hey, whole squad on some lifestyle.
MicroWave boys, take one.
What's up?
Compliments.
Moments of silence, because it's the first time we're back together.
Together.
It's the first time I see these guys this year.
It's a moment of silence, bro.
What?
Oh man! Oh. So guys, this is us. We're back, MicroWave Boys, episode 70.
That was a long leave there. Spaga was on paternity leave. Someone actually sent you a map online. I saw it.
No, I learned a few.
It was like Mickey Mouse
Like,
showing
what
you where the
places-
countries are.
What places did you learn about?
We have George near the Western Cape. Yeah.
But I thought South Africa's here.
Yeah, South Africa.
So where's George?
They
Quick blitz.
Quick blitz,
60
right?
seconds. First of all, Ujiwa King dropped. Oh my God.
Ujiwa King. What is Ujiwa King?
Some girl asked people how to go jogging one day, and then it became a thing.
It is so dark.
It got very dark, guys.
Oh,
so
I saw that.
dark.
I saw that.
We're in a very, very dark
Whoa.
place.
And it's not stopping.
Yeah,
Every
people
day.
are still going. Every single, even Americans join.
Yo.
How do they know the Ujua? You know how much you guys want to get something off your chest to go find a tweet that's not even in your language. Imagine you guys found me pouring my heart out in Japanese Twitter.
Yeah, Ujiwa King.
Ujiwa, who?
I talking about Trump, but like, I'm angry that Trump is still president.
Ujiwa King.
That's been Japanese Twitter.
Ujiwa King.
So much so that they started the foundation, the OJK.
Oh, that's dope.
Ojua King Foundation.
That's dope.
That's supposed to help people. I'm not sure where this foundation is going.
Yeah, because
I
people are talking
mean,
about deep.
I don't immediately want to give money to the Ojua King Foundation.
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like these people are going to do the things that I think they might do.
Ojua King.
Like what's happening at this place. Like listen, if you're giving money to people and you're trying to, it's a red flag. If you see it on the spreadsheet, okay, what are we doing with the money? Okay, no,
OJK.
of course, we're going to do a little CSI initiative and then try and give people, who are we giving to? These guys called Ujua Gang. Whoa. Let's go to their website. The Muzi didn't die.
Wow.
The Muzi didn't die. She's,
She's alive.
Actually, this partner, I saw you got yourself involved. This fucking motherfucker. he tried to say like, I'm talking to the team. I've spoken to her people.
I got some money out of that.
Oh.
No.
What?
I wish I did. I did.
What's going on?
What? Actually,
Never.
I actually don't believe you.
yeah, you're a reporter. You're like reporting live from the scene.
He was reporting blow by blow.
Yeah, like I'm
on.
reporting live to the team, and
I was like,
The final report is that she's alive.
yes.
people were praying for her. Well, I covered Omuzi with the blood of the lamb. That night, I said, yo, the lamb, Yamatu. Hey, Omuzi was covered with unnecessary lamb blood. And you know this lamb thing started with Clifton, yeah?
Oh God.
You guys can't swim. You guys can't swim, but you're crying for the beach there.
Oh,
You heard, they said what at the beach? They say Patco buses. Very, very focused. I saw it coming, guys. As soon as they said no one, niggas were triggered. They heard we're not allowed at the beach. They said, bah. I don't even want to know the details. We're going to the beach tomorrow.
I missed out and I was in Cape Town. I missed out.
Country Oaks came with the fucking, you know they named the sheep.
Yeah, Clifton.
The sheep's name is
Clifton is gone. He's gone.
Clifton.
One of the last people to leave us last year, Clifton.
Clifton thought he was going for M70, you know, like the real sheep business. Like today, obviously, someone, you know, something is happening. M70, you know, I'm gonna get the elders. No man. Clifton says send. He says, man. He said no man. This doesn't feel festive.
No.
What did Clifton say when he got to the beach? No. I'm still Larry Ngaba Ngumetlane, aka Laryngitis.
And I'm still Spaga.
And I'm still Muchi for one baby.
And together we're still the micro.
Wave. Boys.
What?
Episode 70, let's go! Woo!
I thought it
As
was
you guys
another-
know, there's the whole state capture commission of inquiry.
Yes, I didn't know that.
You know, people are testifying every week. It's been
Yeah.
going on for the longest time.
Yeah.
We've broken it down quite a bit. So there's this guy, right, from this company called Bosasa. This company has won a lot of government tenders. Home Affairs, correctional services, for example, they supply all the food for all the prisons.
Oh,
so you know, like big company getting big tenders.
All the food.
Yeah, like the food for the prisoners.
Prisoners.
Someone has
the prisoners.
Yeah, so they've got tenders like that, security tenders for the airport.
And a lot of people.
So this is a company that gets billions from government.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deeply corrupt. The guy who used to be the chief operating officer, Agrizzi, he's now testifying. And you've never in your motherfucking life heard a nigga snitch like this.
Let me hear this.
This guy is telling. No, wait, before you play that video, this guy is telling everything. Everything.
Everything.
Like Larry used to pay Larry 100,000 every month.
Yeah.
Paga used to get 50,000 every month. Lesang used to get 1 million every month.
Yeah. He's going all in.
This guy, we told him to go home. We'll give you 10 million every month. Go home. Don't worry.
Yeah, stay at home.
We'll
Look
run
after
this
your
company.
wife.
He said, I met with Larry at Mug and Bean. He was wearing a black jacket and a red. He's telling things.
Snitching.
He's snitching.
And there was the time when Larry sneezed at you. I said, bless you.
I said, bless you. I remember. And then I looked at my time. It was 14:45.
Yes.
After I said, bless you. I blessed him 3 times that year.
Yeah. You're sneezing.
He's snitching on his own children.
What?
Yeah, he's saying, son,
Bro.
in there. He's giving proper details, dates, everything. Now, the video I'm gonna play, he's snitching so much that somebody, to discredit him, they're like, no man, this guy's racist.
No.
He said, yes, I'm racist.
What?
But the story I'm telling you is still true.
Can we let's take it out.
Be slow. I haven't made an excuse about this. But once again, Che, I am a racist. I agree.
Whoa.
Judge me on that. It's fine.
Yeah. That's okay.
He did that and then everyone laughed and then they carried on with the said, yeah, because somebody said, no, this guy's racist. There's a video of him calling his workers the K word. He's like, yeah.
Don't worry.
Don't worry about you guys are focusing on the wrong thing. Super racist. I hate these.
I'm gonna tell you some real things.
I hate these niggas. I hate these niggas, but
Even you, Che.
even you, Che.
No, but like, guys, you know what he even says? Like, yeah, guys, chill. I am a
It's fine.
racist. Yeah,
I've never seen someone that's this calm.
Judge me on that.
Yeah, judge
me on
that. Yeah. I am a racist. I absolutely don't like these people. But that's not what we're here, guys.
I'm here to tell you that I used to give these people money.
This is not what we're here.
They just moved on. And this guy snitches so much that when they ask him a question, so you met with Larry and you gave him 100,000. It's like, which time are you talking about? I met with Larry 4 times.
Oh wow.
I met with him in March. I gave him 100,000. Is that the one you're talking about? Because I also met him in April. And this time I gave him 250.
Yeah.
And then I met him in June also. There I gave him 50. And then in December we met.
Oh,
and
no,
then
he's
I gave
going
him
in.
another 75.
He's going in.
They're like, hey! They're like, wait, which page is this? No, the judges, which page? The guy came with his own fucking testimony this big. When they think he's finished, they're like, no, I want to testify tomorrow again. Now I want to talk about the journalists I used to pay. Now the journalists are saying, hey! The block is hot now. People are, no, you know the former Water Affairs Minister, what's her name? Nomvula, is it Nomvula? Yeah, Nomvula, she's been like heavily implicated and now she's coming out and saying, no, this guy, he didn't give me a chance, man. Hey, what does he mean? No, man, Your Honor, Judge. As little as 1,000 rand and as much as 5 million a month, we paid after everyone. Yeah. Everyone got cash.
Yeah, everyone.
President, everyone.
Yeah, everyone's inside.
Just ask me so I can tell you exactly when it happened.
He's ready to go ahead.
Page 360.
Yeah, Annexure A.
It's like an episode of Scandal, I won't lie.
Now this guy's fishing, and he's continuing. It's been, I don't think anyone has given testimony this long. Almost 2 weeks now. This guy's been comes there every day, just chills like this. No chance. That was on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday we gave him 250. On Thursday, that's the one where we gave him 1 million.
No way.
Everyone is at home. They're not eating. They're not breathing. Every day is pulling out names. Oaks are dizzy wherever they are at the crib. But no one is like, Tima TV now. Bloody fucking, I want to get racist. I get racist. Oh, Mikey, Tima TV. Mikey, Tima TV.
I can't.
It's time to sleep now.
Oh, to me, oh, to rise. John Legend. Not prosper from the right. Another stood painful right. Give me word to me. To me. Pray.
That is talent.
You know, in the hood, right? Like kids that can't speak English. When you ask them to speak English, all they do is make the sound.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, you're man. I'm here, so man. I'm around, man. I'm in the man. That's what your boy got.
No, guys, which song was this one? For those of you guys that don't know, This is All of Me.
No, it sounded exactly like
This
all of
is
it.
All of Me by John Legend. You can hear it. It's
It's the backing
yeah,
track.
it's a-
You can just speak Tswana or Zulu and then hold your nose. It's like you're speaking English. Yo, come around, man. Hey, come around, man. Hey, get going, man. Hey, get going, man. Hey, for sec, man. And then you kids in the whole say, "Oh, speak English," but okay, man. Get that Jackie China, man.
Jackie China, man.
Okay, where in the world is? I think we must do it with our
Ricky, give us a
guests.
country.
We're gonna do it with our guests, I'm sure.
Any country in the world. Ask him.
Where the world is?
Brazil.
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 But not Brazil, Brazil. So South Africa's here.
Yeah, yeah.
So Brazil, Southeast Asia. This is Asia.
Yeah, that's Asia.
Ayman.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So
They.
Move
No.
away from Asia. Just move.
Yeah. Where are we now? Okay.
no, now in Jamaica.
What the fuck?
No, man.
When the fuck did you get to Jamaica?
Now you like Egypt. If South Africa is here, then you
Okay,
upgrade
Egypt.
Egypt.
And then it's London here.
Yeah.
I know London.
Yeah.
So I'm going to
Brazil now.
Brazil. So I'm going to America, né?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then don't I go down?
Yeah!
What?
I can't believe it, man! I told you guys.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it, man! I can't believe it! I can't believe it! Talking about believing, the man that has 5 rands and
What?
I'm not coins.
Oh, put up a guy, yes.
He eats cotton.
Yeah, you like cotton
But
eaters.
I don't know
Right,
that.
right.
I've
Yeah.
tried it, but it doesn't taste. Yeah, Ricky.
Have you been wearing your shades the whole time?
Yeah.
You've been wearing them the whole
Yeah,
time?
the whole
Every
time.
episode.
Every episode.
But
like-
before we started recording, you wasn't wearing
No,
the
I
shades.
wasn't.
Oh no, you
That
wasn't.
was another. I was.
Or you put them on for the
Yeah,
shade.
for the you know, it's a steady.
Yeah.
A steady.
I'm just making sure.
So, this is a video that they pulled out of me very long time ago.
And you know, Larry, one thing they say about me and Ricky, you can't have like the same swag.
Yeah, but
Like similar.
No, don't do that.
yes,
Don't do that.
there we go.
Just-
He always does this. No, don't do that.
There we go. That's the one.
Please.
In Africa, like,
Africa, bro.
it's ridiculous.
Larry, is this Larry?
Yeah, there's people can go.
Like, this is my opportunity. This is my chance. Let's go.
Look at Chris.
Look at Chris. Like, yeah.
There's some gangsters and niggas,
It's Chama. Who's that?
Yeah.
It's Chama.
I don't know what it was, but I just know
No,
that
but that's in my life.
kick their leg up real
I
high.
can stop it now. You can stop it now. Hey.
Is that you in the pink as well?
I know. Come on, bro.
Those are the good old days.
Yo, well, I was dancing for my life.
Those are the
Yeah, he
good
was trying to
old
get a
days.
visa. He's like, I'm going back with
Let's go.
Chris.
Let's go, Agrizzi. Did you do a backflip? If you didn't do the backflip, it wasn't gonna happen.
Ah, man.
You had to do the backflip.
I'm sure you can still.
You know, guys, ever since Sipo dropped a tweet, my life has been bad, dog. It's been dark. People just woke up to me randomly and just like say, yo.
What tweet did you drop?
No, Sipo said something on the last episode.
Oh.
Last episode. Now people just woke up to me and say, Larry Crump.
But you must crumb. But you must crumb,
It's
dog.
like, yo, Ricky rap, bro.
That's what they do all the time. They do that all the time.
You
Yeah.
can't even interview that,
But
so
you-
you wanna hit us with the
Ah,
answer?
dog. You have to hit them with the Jay-Z laugh.
You know what it is,
Then
man.
you move. You just hit him with the laugh.
Yeah, Punama coins, Punama. Yeah.
Idiots.
Yeah, I kind of blocked here, so I had to get it.
Yeah, so you can read it properly.
Oh, I'm also
blocked.
blocked. I'm
Yeah,
also blocked.
yeah, of some silly shit.
But what did you say? Okay, but be honest.
Okay,
What
I'm
was-
gonna tell you exactly what I said.
Okay,
I
what?
remember.
Okay, forget what you said.
Okay.
What was your intention going into that tweet that you
For
put
a laugh.
You're doing it for a laugh.
I was doing it for
so
a
she
laugh.
must block your ass. Man.
I know, man.
Why you wanna laugh
What did you
on-
say? What
on
did you
her
say? What
ass?
did you say?
But that laugh wasn't even that deep.
What did you
Okay,
say?
what
What
was
did you
it?
say?
Was
Because
it like
it was her and Peltuso were going back and forth about sunglasses.
Yeah.
And Peltuso was like, yo, Lerato, you need to give back my sunglasses. You know what I'm saying? So, and then I said I added onto that. I'm like, yeah, Lerato, you need to give Peltuso your fucking sunglasses back. And she blocked me. Like, don't tell me what to fucking do about my sunglasses.
How does it feel to actually really get blocked and then go check that person's profile and see that you blocked? What's the feeling that you get?
No,
They don't
man.
notify you that you blocked.
Me, I've been blocked by Donald because I called him in denial. So
I won't
But
lie.
it's
Check.
not Donald in denial
every night-
anymore.
he is still in
No,
denial.
he's not in denial.
Share.
He's Donald I deserve now.
Yeah, no, what?
He's I deserve.
Yeah, he is. But it was when he was in denial.
Yeah, he was being.
So, and then
and I
he's-
asked him, why you being in denial? It's like, about what? It's your head, so no. Bonang blocked me, Lerato blocked me.
Yeah, my girl blocked
Soldier
me.
Boy blocked me.
Soldier Boy?
Soldier Boy, tell him Draco.
Yeah.
Young Draco blocked me. But like years ago.
Yeah, my
I
girl
don't even.
blocks me.
That I
Soldier
have no
Boy!
idea how that
And I
happened.
sometimes don't know what to do with myself. I'm gonna cry myself.
Ishmael blocked you.
Ever since.
And I'm cool with Ish,
But
dog.
whatever you said to Ish, you deserved it. For Ishmael to block you,
This was years ago.
that one you deserved.
I've changed. I was a different person.
For Ishmael to block you, you said some shit. You were trying to get blocked. So Rato Kanyako says, Rihanna sings, gets endorsements, starts acting. Mzansi, yes says,
Yes, Queen.
Mzansi says, yes, Queen. Beyonce sings, gets endorsements, starts acting. Mzansi
says,
yes, Queen. Take them all. South African artist starts singing, gets a role in a movie, and bags a huge endorsement. Mzansi says, open up the industry.
Yo, they called up for this, boy.
But who said open the industry?
You know, open up the industry is a thing
What
that's
does that
been
mean?
basically people are saying we must give other people opportunity. People are saying that they're tired of seeing, like for example, like in acting examples, saying they're tired of seeing the same people in every
In
telenovela.
3 different shows.
We need to
Yeah.
bring in new actors. They're tired of seeing.
It's like
Why are you laughing?
Tired of saying that Riky and Frank Casino must be Spaga and Riky.
So basically, the crash started from TV originally. People saying, "Oh, we need to learn how to open up the industry in Mzansi and
but
not have
TV is the same.
people."
Yeah,
Especially
no,
with TV. TV is where it's most
Hey, TV
obvious.
is the same.
Yeah, it's the TV is the same.
I thought the Queen and the Throne was the same show.
Yeah.
Then I was like, after I finished watching that show, I'm like, yo, when is Rockville coming on? You understand what I'm saying?
I don't know. I don't watch any of those shows, but like every now and then I've caught them, and I don't know which one I'm watching every time.
Yeah,
I'll be like, I don't know, man.
But who is she talking about? She's talking about herself. Did she start singing?
No, she's a DJ now.
She's a DJ now. I get it, but she was like on radio, so she became a DJ, and then she was a presenter. She said something that triggered everyone.
But
to
that
do
one,
this.
but this one, I feel it. And you see, as an artist, we coming for all the bags.
Yeah.
And as a creator or a creative, you have to come for all the bags at the same time.
Yeah.
And I don't think people understand that, like, we're actually chasing every bag we can actually chase.
They don't-
There's no bag that's off limits. If they say here's a bag for an album, Larry,
Yeah,
drop it.
I'm rapping.
Come inside. You're
Yeah.
gonna drop it. They say Sipo says.
Hey.
If release Numuzi, even you guys are still on Numuzi. Release Numuzi, dog. Numuzi actually did a great thing with that campaign.
Yo, what?
We gotta release her. People are still holding that thing like it.
Oh yeah, people are holding on to it. There's a little, they're getting a little carried away. But that's the age we live in now. Like if you trip and fall tomorrow, if you say fuck a kid, that's all they're gonna be like. Yeah, Ricky said
but
fuck
remember-
these kids. Yeah, and then tomorrow you're like, okay guys, I've moved on. Sorry, but no.
but
You said fuck these kids. Why would you say that, Ricky?
So how long-
6 months later, no, this guy said fuck these kids, man. Everywhere you go, they say meet you in the mall. What about the kids, Ricky?
What about the
These people, when they see you on social media and they see some fucked up shit, you're gonna get that 15,000 tweets, 15,000 comments. It's gonna trend. When you walk on the street, there's nothing trending.
Yeah.
There's nothing. There's nothing that's trending. There.
No, I want to say it's online
When she's
only. Most
walking,
of this energy.
it's online only.
Yeah,
and when they
like
see her live, they take the pictures, they kiss
At
her.
Cotton Fest.
At Cotton Fest, they're gonna rock out to her
On the 2nd
on
of
the
Feb.
2nd of February.
on the 2nd of Feb.
They
Just
kinda
now.
love her at Cotton
This
Fest.
drops on Thursday in 2 days.
Yeah.
Yes, just now.
Yeah, at Cotton Fest.
You're gonna see. There's not gonna be anyone saying,
Yeah.
you played us, are you still alive? No.
So at Cotton Fest,
She's
she's
alive,
gonna get a
bro.
lot of love at Cotton
She's
Fest.
alive at Cotton Fest.
At Cotton Fest. Okay.
Easily.
At Cotton Fest, we might
But
do
boy-
a duo at Cotton
At
Fest.
Cotton Fest.
Yeah.
Even Boyd's on Cotton Fest too.
Yeah, Cotton, yeah.
Boyd's, they allowed her to rap.
Yeah.
They did not allow her.
But she came out with a banger.
Hey, that boy, this song caught me off
Yo,
guard. I won't lie.
and she got-
I hear boy this rapping. I said, fuck that shit, man.
yo, yo,
Kill
yo.
that noise. And then it came out. I said, what's the goose? I said, what the fuck? I was by myself trying to make a sandwich, but I'm dugging at the same time.
What's that? Competition. I even look around.
I don't
What's that?
see
What's
it.
that?
I don't see him. I'm like, where is this fucking competition? Boyti doesn't see you. Boyti doesn't see. Go Boyti. It's your birthday. I'm even changing my voice. Very close. I'm like, what is happening to me? What is happening? So sometimes
You can't fight it.
Boyti just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, no, yo.
You can't
She's
fight
about
it.
to
I actually put nasty on it. Now she said, look at these. Look, they're going to dance. They said when they left the studio, they said dynasty. Come, man, they're going to dance. First they'll talk shit and then they'll press play and then they'll dance.
It's bad.
But no, from the moment I heard it, Brad, it was too hard.
That joint.
I won't lie, that song was hot from day one. I heard it, I wanted to hate on it immediately. I said, no, I said, wait the country.
but also the point one, there was no ways you could hate.
Yeah.
Because social media was saying positive things. Everyone is saying, congrats. If you were the one person to come out and
You're
say
right.
anything, you can't.
But I was also
So,
excited for
so
Takalani.
it worked like this. It worked like this. Like,
But Nigerians arrested in one of Josie's high-profile estates for printing rands, dollars, nigers,
Nairas.
nairas.
What do you call it?
Nigers.
you gotta speak to this guy.
It's the first time I actually hear him read.
You gotta speak to him.
Life is
Naira.
Yeah. Can I tell you guys something? I get so confused sometimes when I'm on Twitter, and someone will say, I just bought bread for like 100 Nairas. I'm like, whoa!
How much is nairas?
Which Twitter are you on? Dog, who's
Actually.
Who the fuck is saying I just bought bread for 109? Which Twitter are you on, my nigga? Come back home, my man.
How much is
Come back home, dog. This thing of this guy being in these clubs and everything. He starts getting involved too deep. Now he's on the other Twitter, the other side. Dog. Come back to this Twitter. They say Twitter is fine. You're on another Twitter. Dog.
that is
I don't know that
100
one.
nairas.
We
Online.
don't know. We don't know.
Oh.
We don't know. We don't know what it is. How much now? This guy is
You know, we-
interested.
I tried to walk past this. Ricky brought it back. I said, yeah, you know when someone says 100, I said, yeah, buying. I said, wait, man. What do you mean someone is buying bread?
Where are you?
Where are you getting this content from?
So these brews are making fake coins now.
And a high-profile estate in Joburg.
Oh, but I think I know this one. I know this guy. I know these guys. I heard about them.
This is the money they'll be throwing at us at Onyx.
No, I know these guys.
Rother says this Onyx.
Oh, basic paper cut. These guys are eating us under the table. They're taking it back to grade 1, my boy. Paper cutter. This is what they're using.
This is the money that they throw at people.
Is this the high profile estate they're drinking?
But how do you make money from using this?
No.
Come on, man.
No. This guy has to cut the coins now.
Oh.
You have to chop it now.
Oh. What school did you go to? I didn't use it.
The paper cutter. Not this plastic one. This one is a plastic. We had the wooden. There was a wooden item that you do this.
We use scissors to cut paper.
Scissors. Scissors. The paper cutter. Like if you had a test
Scissors
paper.
cuts paper.
Test paper. Like if you have a test paper and it's like 20 sheets, then they say cut it all at the same time. You understand?
Why would you cut the test paper? How are you gonna write the test?
To make it like an A5 or something.
What the fuck,
Cut
man?
it in half. Like you got the sheets. There's one test here. There's another test here.
Wait, you're telling me you've
must
gone
cut
through
it
your
in half.
entire life up until this day and you've avoided cutting paper?
He says he always uses scissors.
Always use the scissors.
There's a paper cutter.
Oh my God.
Hey, I'm sure the paper cutter was right there in your class.
Let's operate this thing.
Oh my
Now,
God.
you see, you have 2 sheets. These sheets are the same. These sheets are the same. So you want this side and you want this side. So what you do, come like this. Open the joint. Come like this. Now it's A5, but you must go to the line. I don't know which line they went to there. with the 200s.
They printed A5. Niggas came through with half a page.
They came with the wrong.
No.
Ciao. Yabo? Now it's the same.
Yo,
You understand?
No,
That's when you start fucking it up.
Yeah.
That's when you start fucking it up.
Why
You see,
your fingers?
you see what you've done now.
This guy's gonna cut his fingers right here.
You see, that's when you start fucking it up.
Oh.
Which one is this
This is
now?
a picture.
Which one is this?
Oh, my. What the fuck? Which bag is this one gonna? So it's a kid the bag.
Okay, wait, it's a
Shut
brand.
up.
Okay, it's a brand. Oh, he's
Yeah, it's a
wanting for
brand.
a brand.
He's wanting.
Yeah. Yo, I thought it was like some fucking date my family or something. Eh? Our perfect wedding.
That's what it looks like.
I thought it was that.
Yeah.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Here he was the head of a church here. Definitely owns his own church. No doubt about it. Oh, he's about to show you the fuck out of a PowerPoint presentation. Do you have 7 friends? If you have 7 friends
I don't
and you get them to sign up today, now those 7 friends must have 7 friends. Now you see what's happening? 7, 14, 21. You see where we're going now. You're making all these people, when they pay, then you get paid. All the money funnels back to you. That's what he's telling you in the PowerPoint presentation.
Can you zoom out?
Just come with 7 friends.
I want to see the shoes. I'm sure the shoes have to be on the page. Trust me. Find the shoes. Find the shoes, bro. I can have me. I love you, dog, but find the shoes. Let's zoom in. Zoom in.
Yo, two-tone.
Yeah, they told him don't walk in these shoes. You must give them back. It's not just for the photo shoot. Don't hit them with that line. You got to crease.
I love you, dog, but no, you secured the bag, boy.
That's all that matters.
You know the one with the wooden finish. You know the shoes. You know the button with the wooden finish.
Scroll down. He's involved in more things. Why didn't he get the summer campaign?
Yeah, I know that they should have put it in summer.
They should have hit him with the summer campaign. And the other Oaks look nice with the suits. Why do they do him dirty like that?
That vanish finish. I don't want the vanish finish. Karabo, I fucks with you, but Joe, my G, you secured the bag. No, we confirmed that you secured the bag.
Oh, okay, I know.
There you are securing the bag. It's fine.
All right, so now we like to end off these episodes on a bit of a nice note. We have a hero of the week, and our hero of the week this week is this cute ass baby doing some cute ass baby shit. Press play. Is that the cutest shit you've ever seen today?
Bravo!
I need a gif of that.
Bravo!
Well done.
Bravo! Hero!
That kid was too good. He was too good at that.
I don't know.
Actor of the
He's
millennium.
got it.
If I did it way.
Guys, I have to apologize. I didn't bring you merch.
I don't.
But the merch I'm gonna bring you at a later date. It's fine.
Okay. All right.
Leave the one.
You heard him, guys.
Share it.
Now, I'm gonna be topless from the next episodes going forward until this match comes. Something for the ladies.
What?
Dog, just get that John
You guys
Craig.
don't want me to show them all it is.
Get the John
You think
Craig.
I just woke up like this?
Just come with the John Craig.
Hey, Karabo, hit me with the through ball there. Man, I also want to hit that drip, boy. That's
It's done. It's
I'm
done.
trying to look at it, drip. I'm trying to hit that aesthetic, boy. I'm willing to do the check. I'm willing to sell my soul for that vanish bitch.
Whoa.
We can take it to the. It's not a problem.
You know the shirt. The shirt mustn't have different buttons. The colors must be the same. If the shirt has different color buttons, you're in trouble already. Tell the designer, say, bro, leave me out of this one, please.
Otherwise, MicroWave Boys episode 7. Shout out Riky.
We're on a cotton vest this
Much
weekend.
appreciated.
Everyone, cotton vest. Guys, the tickets are sold out. Oh,
Sold
it's
out.
late for you, but we'll be there.
You know that there's a collaboration, me and you, coming soon. Pew! Like, Sifuna McCoy say too. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It's just me like that.
Lately I've been living like I'm gorgeous. Skimming on a million, got me feeling like I'm gorgeous. I hear hurting feelings, cause I'm gorgeous. Ay, she just love a nigga cause I'm winning and I'm gorgeous. The babies wanna chill because I'm gorgeous. They know that all my clothes from across the border. Acting thirsty cause they know I got the water. Well baby, take a seat, take a number, take a order. Hey look, I do this all up on my own. Don't call me, don't pick up the phone. Going so down, but they call me Stallone. Too bad a budget for me not to moan. Money I'm in, but you're stuck in the gnome.